full of bird flu. Just waiting to get me. Good thing Cammy, our Maltese, isn't out here. Whatever it is probably a blue jay. But, you know, because of bird flu, a big-ass blue jay would swipe down and carry her away. I don't want to say it, but I can see that it's foaming at the beak, so it must have bird flu or rabies. So I'm going to go back in the house because this is scaring the shit out of me. So let me go put on my my armor, come back out. All that padding, like when you see the police train a dog, there's that one poor sucker standing there with all the padding on his arms and legs. And then the dog is smart enough to go for his groin. And then you see it on YouTube. All right. Somehow the bird has vanished. He knows he's being watched. Take care. Bye-bye.